Many of you degenerates already noticed this, but the market is on fire. Yes, it is absolutely on fire. Many companies are down by a lot of dollars and percentages, making it hard for investors to earn some money in this bloodbath market. Wanna know why this is happening? Then you are in the right place with this video. It is gonna tell you all about why we monkeys lose money quicker in the stock market than with trading crypto. Unless you traded dollar Luna cause you think you were going to the moon. So let's get into it. If we have to believe our mainstream media, it is all Putin's fault. His war with Ukraine led to heavy inflation. While that may have contributed a little to inflation due to sanctions and a lot of resources being held by Russia such as gas and oil, the main reason for this heavy inflation is the Fed finally announcing the real inflation numbers, which turned out to be 8.3%. Yes, that is more than your average 7% annual return of the S&P 500 for you financial freedom TikTokers. With the Fed and Jerome Powell finally giving clarity on the inflation numbers, we also know that a lot of money has been printed by them. As usual, someone tried to solve money problems by printing money. What an irony. Now that they caused this spike in inflation, they announced to raise interest rates by 0.5%, which is the highest raise in 20 years. So what does this do? More money is in the economy, interest rates are higher means more interest on more money equals double more money. Now there are also a group of imbeciles that like to think in conspiracies. How can this benefit a small group of people? Let's take a look at what the dumbest 10% of our population thinks. They might believe that the war between Russia and Ukraine is fake. Their evidence: Zelensky owns a big villa somewhere in the USA that isn't paid for by his current position or his previous jobs. He was a comedian, actor, and writer before he became president in 2019. Now that story has already been debunked, as some sort of Karen shared a post on Facebook claiming that he had a $35 million house in Florida, but PolitiFact has already done its research and found that the claims were tied to the Russian government, making the story fake news, as Trump always liked to say. Now, what are the other reasons our conspiracy theorists may come up with? They might claim that due to the war there will be a financial recession that will make a lot of people broke or bankrupt, asking for help from the government. They claim that we will have a universal income. Poor conspiracy theorist. Government giving me more free money? I say yes to that. Imagine you go on a holiday paid for by your government, and when you get back home, they still give you more. Now obviously our party poopers will come with another argument making it less fun. But what about the social credit system? Oh God. Yes. Finally. We finally found out where China is also connected in this story. No, I don't think we will end up like China. No, I don't think universal income is going to become a real thing, and yes, the war between Russia and Ukraine is real. Now to get back on topic. Inflation is just a natural economical process influenced by macro activities such as war, public fear, and the amount of money we print. Now we got a war, we got public fear with COVID still with us, and yes, Jerome Powell likes his printer more than his wife for some reason. Now that are reasons for inflation and why you lose money in the stock market. Public fear makes paper hands sell like crazy, driving prices down. Just wait for our whales like Warren Buffett to snoop up those discounted shares and drive the prices up a little bit more to gain back some public trust in the economy. So I am going to be patient, sit on some cash, and buy a lot of stocks that are discounted. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.